I just want to let you guys know, if I ever seem like I'm exaggerating, okay, this is what it's like to be a disorganized schizophrenic, okay? This is what it's like. And medication does not help this, okay? Medication would just give me diabetes. So if you tell me to get on medication, kill yourself, because that's exactly what you want me to do. You want me to get diabetes. You want me to gain 200 pounds. You want me to be a fucking zombie. Fuck you. I will take this mess over everything that they would rather have me do. Okay? But I'm just letting you know. At least I have this banana, right? It's like people don't know how to deal with anything. They either want to pretend that it doesn't exist and just ignore it and sweep it under the rug, which is why white families put their kids on medication and they put them in therapy, because they don't want to talk to them about their problems, okay? Americans don't know how to deal with problems. That's why psychiatrists make so much fucking money, okay? They either want to do that, they want to sweep something under the rug. Oh, it doesn't exist, it doesn't exist, it doesn't exist. Hear no evil, see no evil, you know? Or they want to focus on it, capitalize on it, obsess about it, act like it's the only thing that matters. This is how I identify, you know? I don't want to just constantly keep saying, oh, I'm a schizophrenic, I'm a schizophrenic, I'm a schizophrenic. You know, that's fucking annoying. But at the same time, like, I don't want to deny that that's part of my life. I don't want to deny that's why I am the way that I am. So when people say, well, mental illness isn't all of me, that's fucking stupid. I mean, look at gay people. Like, that's all they talk about is being gay. Not all of them. But it's like, I understand, like, why black people are so frustrated, especially black conservatives, because it's like, what, they're supposed to just deny their culture? They're supposed to deny their race? When people say, oh, I don't see color or whatever. Yes, the fuck you do. Shut up. Shut up. It's so frustrating. I'm in such a bad mood right now, you guys. Fuck you. You're honking your horn right now, so shut the hell up. I am honking my horn right now. I'm just honking it at myself. Visualize that. No. See, I practice what I preach. You see, I hate technology. That's why I never upgraded my phone. I hate degeneracy. That's why I never upgraded my phone. I hate it when people talk the talk, but they don't walk the walk. That's why I never upgraded my phone. Can't stress it enough. So yeah, I'm allowed to be frustrated with a society that wants to whine constantly about degenerate behavior, and yet they want to carry around the forbidden fruit in their fucking pocket all the time. You know? Ridiculous. Anyway, I wrote this down. Do you think it's funny? What do people mistakenly think I am that I'm not? I'm going to talk about, like, how people think that I'm LGBT. I'm going to talk about how people think I'm a feminist. I'm going to talk about how people think that I was going to say crazy, but, like, I know I'm crazy. But the difference is, like, there's crazy that you know about and there's crazy that you don't know about. All these people that are fucking psycho don't seem to have any idea. Whereas people that do have some idea of how crazy they are, as what I have already shown you, as what I have already displayed here, okay? It's like, I know damn well that I'm crazy, but because of all this, I'm able to understand America, okay? Tradeoffs. Anyway, maybe I should just get high again.
You wouldn't be so pissed off, but at the same time, it's a crutch, isn't it? Trade-offs. Absolutely hate it. I'm gonna take this pillow inside. Maybe I'll feel a little better if I touch something soft.
It is soft though. Feel it, Vortex. Feel it. It's so soft. China did good this time.